This is the all-new Magcubic HY450 MAX, Magcubic's most powerful and most expensive projector to date. This is their brightest rated projector and also the largest model Magcubic has released so far. It brings some major upgrades, including much better focus, sharper corners, higher brightness, improved speakers, and for the first time ever on a Magcubic projector, a removable dust filter. This video focuses on the unboxing, design, features, and first impressions. I'll be doing a full in-depth testing video very soon, covering brightness measurements, contrast, input lag, fan noise, heat, and more. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. Let's get straight into it. I ordered the HY450 MAX directly from the official Magcubic website, and it arrived within 4 days, which was surprisingly fast. Inside the box you get the HY450 MAX projector, a Bluetooth remote, a power cable, user manual, first impressions right out of the box. This projector is big. Compared to the HY350 MAX, this feels like a proper home projector rather than a compact portable unit. The HY450 MAX feels solid and premium. It weighs around 2.3 kilograms, and the size increase is clearly noticeable, but it also allows for better cooling, improved optics, and stronger hardware overall. On the front you get the camera, IR receiver, a large lens, noticeably bigger than previous Magcubic models. On the right side, dual 12W speakers. On the left side, air inlet. On the back, exhaust vent, power button, HDMI port, USB port, AC power input. There's no 3.5mm audio out, which is something to keep in mind. Due to the increased size and weight, the traditional 6mm mounting hole has been removed. Instead, it comes with 4mm mounting holes at the 4 corners, which makes much more sense for a secure ceiling installation. The stand is a smooth 180-degree rotatable stand, similar in design to other Magcubic models, but sturdier to support the extra weight. Overall, the build quality feels like a clear step above every previous Magcubic projector. The HY450 MAX comes with a Bluetooth plus IR remote. It features a wireless air mouse and voice assistant support. The remote is identical to the L018 remote, which I really like using. My favorite feature here is definitely the air mouse functionality, which makes navigation and typing much easier. Setup is simple, just like most Android projectors. Connect to Wi-Fi and stream using online apps, or plug in a USB, HDMI, or wirelessly mirror your phone. Boot time is around 20 seconds, which is quite good. The projector runs Android 14, with 2 GB RAM and 16 GB storage. I didn't notice any lag during usage. Everything felt smooth and responsive. The UI looks very similar to the L018, with options to change wallpapers and do some customization. Autofocus, auto keystone, obstacle detection, and screen recognition all work noticeably better compared to previous Magcubic models. This is not Google TV, so apps like Netflix are not officially certified and won't stream in HD quality. That said, YouTube, Kodi, and other apps run smoothly. YouTube playback at 1080p and 2K works flawlessly. Wireless screen mirroring is built in, which worked fine. Both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity were excellent with no issues. Here's a quick walkthrough of the UI. The HY450 MAX is officially rated at 1100 ANSI lumens, making it the brightest Magcubic projector so far. Out of the box, it's set to high brightness mode by default. You get 3 brightness modes: high, standard, and eco. I've been using it on high, and it looks excellent. Even without full measurements yet, brightness is clearly a big step up from the HY350 MAX and the GT. It remains very usable even with ambient light on. The brightness honestly feels TV-like. The contrast levels look great. Blacks appear much deeper, with minimal blue light glow, an improvement over what we saw on the HY450 MAX. Colors are the best I've seen on any Magcubic projector, with smooth gradients similar to the L018, but with a sharper and more focused image. This projector uses a 1080p Full HD LCD, and it feels like a larger LCD panel is being used here, as image clarity is noticeably better than older models. Out of the box, the projector already looks well calibrated and balanced. Picture settings are available with a single button, allowing easy customization, which is a great addition. The throw ratio is 1.0, which is great for smaller rooms. At just under 7 feet, I'm getting a 90-inch image, as you can see. This projector can easily go beyond 120 inches, thanks to its brightness and focus performance. Focus is honestly one of the biggest highlights of the HY450 MAX. This is the best focus performance I've tested on any Magcubic projector so far. Center focus is excellent, and corner sharpness is the strongest I've seen. This alone makes a huge difference in overall image quality. Here's a corner focus test. The HY450 MAX features dual 12-watt speakers on the right side, and they sound really good. Audio is loud, clear, with noticeable bass. For casual movie watching and YouTube, the built-in speakers are more than sufficient. Here's a sound test. Thanks to the larger chassis and improved airflow, fan noise is well controlled. During normal viewing, fan noise stays fairly low, and it reduces even more when switching to lower brightness modes. Heat management also feels improved overall. I'll cover exact fan noise levels and temperature readings in the full test video. I didn't notice any major input lag while streaming. Everything worked fine. Streaming 1080p at 60 Hz via HDMI was smooth. For gaming and precise input lag measurements, I'll be covering that in detail in the full test video coming soon. This is a huge upgrade. For the first time ever, Magcubic has added a removable dust filter located under the front lens. You can easily remove it, clean it, and reinstall it, which should significantly reduce dust buildup on the LCD over time. This is something many users have been asking for, and it's great to finally see it implemented properly. Pros: very high brightness, 1100 ANSI rated, best focus and corner sharpness on any Magcubic projector. Smooth, clean colors, removable dust filter, premium build quality, dual 12-watt speakers, Android 14 with 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, excellent autofocus and auto keystone, good remote. Cons: larger size and heavier weight reduce portability. No officially certified streaming apps. No 3.5mm audio out. Higher price compared to other Magcubic models. The Magcubic HY450 MAX is easily the best projector Magcubic has released so far. Yes, it's slightly more expensive at around $217 after discounts, but you're also getting TV-like brightness and excellent overall image quality. If you want the best performance and image quality from Magcubic right now, this is the model I'd recommend. Product links are available in the description, along with exclusive discount codes. I'll be doing a full real-world test video covering 10 tests very soon, along with a comparison against the new HY450 MAX GT. So make sure you're subscribed to Aurabox 360 and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you enjoy this content and want to support the channel, you can send a super thanks or join the Aurabox 360 membership. Members get exclusive chat access, priority replies, shoutouts and more. Any questions? Just drop them in the comments. Also, the new X7 has been released as well. Which one would you pick? Let me know below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.